Hey guys, welcome. So this video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to install your Lightroom Mobile Presets into your phone when you've been given a Dropbox link. Now, if you already have a Dropbox link or you have already a preset ready to install, you can fast forward this video into this number, cling. And if you do not worry about it. I do have a website that has a couple of free presets for you to practice on. And I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to get these into your phone without having to use your laptop. So let's go! Now first, just make sure that you have the Lightroom app installed on your phone. And do not worry, this is a free app. Then click on the link from the description below this YouTube video to be able to go to this site, or simply copy-paste it on Safari. On that side, any preset that says $0 is going to be free, so choose any that you like. Now just scroll down and tap Add to Cart. Then you can go ahead and tap the Checkout button. Here you'll be putting in your information, and then once you're done, you can tap the Place Order button. Under Download, tap on that black box which will take you to a PDF file that will bring you to the Dropbox link. Now tap on the link. You don't have to get the app, so you can just tap on the Continue to Website button. Choose the file that has the DNG label on it. Tap the three dots on the top right, then choose Direct Download. Some of you won't have that open in Lightroom by default, so click on the middle icon in the bottom, then choose Save Image. It should now be showing up on your photo library, although it will be showing as a blank image. And now it is time for us to head to the Lightroom app. Choose All Photos. Then add an image and choose the black image that says DNG. It says cannot load image, but do not worry about it. Just click on that check mark on the top right. Choose the file that has the DNG label on it. Now what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the top right, choose Create Preset, and then name it whatever you want. Tap that check mark, and now you have the preset installed into your phone permanently. It's time to add a photo again, but this time it would be the photo that you want to edit. Scroll the bottom and look for the Presets tab. Tap on the preset you just created and watch your photo transform. Now play around with the other tabs on the bottom, such as adjusting the lighting or highlights of your photo. Once you're happy with your photo, it is now time to export it. Of course, for better quality, I would always choose the maximum. It is now saved on your photo library, and you are now done.